15 common things you should not do. Hey everyone, we all do things that we think are normal, but think twice now. Some of the things we may be doing might as well just harm us. That is why in this video I will be telling you 15 common things that you should not do. Now let's go inside the video. Number 15. Drinking cold water when you feel you are too warm. Yes, I know you're thinking that I'm absolutely wrong about this, but I am not. When you drink cold water when you are warm, your body goes through difficulties to cope with it. Because the water has a low temperature, the body finds it hard to break down other foods. If you still drink cold water after that, it can lead to the hardening of fats and digestion can become difficult. Instead, you can use lukewarm water or tepid water. So stop! Don't drink the cold water when you feel you are too warm. Number 14. Tying up your hair every day. Hey, is your mom telling you to tie up your hair every day like my mom is? Well, if she is, then make her watch this video. Tying up your hair every day can lead to hair loss. Also try to avoid tight hairstyles because that also may lead to hair loss. This type of hair loss is called traction alopecia. Your hair falls due to constant hair pull. Over time, it may even become permanent. Is your mom still telling you to tie your hair up? If she is, you can tell her to tie it up looser so your hair doesn't get pulled. Let your hair free. Number 13. Sitting all day long. Sitting or laying down for a long time is a bad decision. Sitting and laying all day can increase your chances of getting chronic health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. Sitting and laying down can also have some bad effects on your mental health. It is time to get up and move. Some things you can do to stay active are running games, exercises, dancing, and bicycling. But remember to use your mask when there's a spreading sickness. Number 12. Using your phone before going to bed. Has your dad been complaining about not having good sleep? Well, now it is the time to figure out why. Your dad thinks we are sleeping, but we slowly tiptoe to his bed. That is when we realize nothing is wrong, it is a normal night, and your dad is on his phone. We go back to bed, but the next morning your dad is still whining about not having a good sleep. Why? Because he was on his phone. Using your phone before going to bed can make it harder to drift off. Tonight you grab your dad's phone from him and make him sleep. The next morning he doesn't whine, but you do. Turns out you've been playing games on your dad's phone the whole time. Number 11. Eating while watching TV. Do you watch TV, text, or work while you eat? If you do, you should stop. In order to have a healthy meal, you need to not be using any of your electronics. Using electronics while you eat can cause you to overeat. Overeating can cause people to vomit. Remember, stop eating when you're not hungry anymore, not when you're full. Electronics drag attention to themselves. When you use electronics while you are eating, your attention goes to your electronics and not your food. You end up eating more than needed, and don't pay attention to how much you eat. Number 10. Not cleaning your toothbrush. Not clean toothbrushes might as well just be useless. If you think that your toothbrush is clean because you rinsed it the last time you brushed your teeth, you are absolutely wrong. Rinsing your toothbrush will not remove all of the dirt in your toothbrush. Some of the bacteria doesn't get rinsed off. If you have not been properly cleaning your toothbrush is useless. When you brush your teeth with a toothbrush that has bacteria on it, the bacteria will just spread to your tongue and your teeth. So disinfect your toothbrush regularly. Number 9. Showering in very hot water. Do you like to take a shower with the water almost at the boiling point? You may like it, but your body won't. Frequent hot showers can lead to dry, itchy, red skin. You can also get rashes. If your skin starts to turn red while you are taking your shower, the water is too hot. If you like hot showers, then I suggest you take a 6-minute lukewarm shower. If you want to turn up the heat, then I suggest you turn it up only a little. Remember, if your skin starts to turn red while you are taking your shower, the water is too hot. Number 8. Sleeping with the light on. Are you afraid of the dark? Well, you better get over your fear as fast as possible if you want good sleep. The light can disturb the brain while you are sleeping. Scientists have found out that people who sleep with the lights on have worse sleep than people who sleep with the lights off. One way to overcome your fear of the dark is to be in the most relaxing mindset possible. If I want to get in the most relaxing mindset possible, I would do some yoga with someone I like. Number 7. Showering directly after exercise. You do not want to catch a virus. Taking a shower directly after exercise can sometimes give you viruses. One tip I will give you is to take a shower after you stop sweating. Even if you are hot, don't take a cold shower. Instead, go for a lukewarm shower. After you finish your exercises, try to stay relaxed. This can help you stop gasping for your breath. Also, stay relaxed when you are taking your shower. This will help you stop feeling like you are tired afterward. Number 6. Sleeping with your hair down if you have long hair. Do you have long hair? Do you sleep with your long hair open? If you do, then listen to this. Your hair has a higher chance of getting tangled when your hair is out while you sleep. Who wants their hair tangled? Nobody. This means tomorrow when you start brushing your hair will fall out more than usual. So dear hair lovers, I wish you good luck on taking good care of your hair. Number 5. Brushing your hair the same way every day. There are a few consequences if you brush your hair in the same way every day, but they can be big problems to people who care about their looks. If you brush your hair in the same way every day, your hair can get into bad shapes and patterns. It can become dirty in the same places every day. If you brush it differently every day, it will stay cleaner and shinier for longer. Number 4. Going to sleep fully dressed. Sleeping in your daytime clothes is really bad for you. You have gone to a lot of places today and you have touched many objects with germs. Your clothes have a lot of germs right now. If you sleep in your daytime clothes, your bed can turn into a nest for germs. Nobody wants their bed to be a nest for germs. Now go change into your pajamas before you go to bed. Stay germ-free! Number 3. Eating red meat every day. Hey, stop with the red meat. You've been eating red meat for a week. Eating red meat can develop very bad problems. It can increase your bad cholesterol and can lead to cardiac problems. Meat is healthy, but not when you eat it every day. You have to keep that in mind. If you love red meat and you can't set up a diet without it, then go ask a doctor. A lot of people listen to doctors, but if that doesn't help, then try a book. Number 2. Scrubbing with a towel when you get out of the shower. Stop scrubbing your skin and hair with a towel like a madman. I mean, use a towel and all, but don't scrub. Both skin and hair must be treated gently. The best way to treat skin is to pat yourself gently with a towel. For hair, I would say to just let it dry by itself. Hair dryers are not as great as you think they are. Using a hair dryer would give you more hair loss than the amount of hair loss you have right now. Number 1. Wearing the same shoes every day. Did you know our feet sweat? Well, they do. It takes about 24 hours for our shoes to dry, but we wear the same shoes every day, so they don't have enough time to dry. So this is why we need at least 2 pairs of shoes. This is why some of our feet stink when we take off our shoes. The sweat. I suggest that you alternate your shoes every day so each shoe has enough time to dry. Well, I hope you learned something today. Did you used to do any of these bad habits? If so, how did you stop? Tell us in the comments below. I'll see you again on another video of Beautiful Salad.